Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Now select App Notifications at the top. Click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Lastly, just tap on the sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. So when I do that, as you can see, all notifications are now disabled. You can enable them by clicking on the same sweater again. If you wish to, you can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!